In a narration found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 78, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, gave glad tidings of paradise to the parents who correctly raised 2 daughters. It is surprising how many Muslims, especially Asians, always desire sons and have adopted the ignorant mentality of not being as pleased when they have daughters, even though the glad tidings mentioned in this narration and many others have not been given regarding sons. It is acceptable to believe that a parent would stress more over a daughter than a son, especially in this day and age, but nonetheless, it does not mean Muslim parents should be less happy if they have a daughter instead of a son. They should remember that their duty is to educate and guide their children according to the teachings of Islam, and not stress over their destiny, as this is not in their control. Disliking having daughters is an ignorant mentality which completely contradicts the teachings of Islam. In fact, disliking having daughters is the attitude of polytheists, and one should avoid their characteristics at all costs. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verses 58 to 59.
And when one of them is informed of the birth of a female, his face becomes dark and he suppresses grief. He hides himself from the people because of the ill of which he has been informed.
Muslims should avoid adopting this mentality, and instead be content with any child they are given, as there are plenty of married couples who do not have any children.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website www.shakepod.com.